Hello everybody. So today's episode we are making egg-free waffles, and this recipe is based off of a traditional waffle recipe.
And to replace the eggs, we are using ground flaxseed, which is a great egg replacer, full of flavor and nutrition. So let's go. For our ingredients, we have 3 tablespoons of ground flaxseed, which is equivalent to 3 eggs. We have a half a cup of water, 6 tablespoons of non-dairy butter, a cup and a half of non-dairy milk, 1 cup and 3/4 of unbleached all-purpose flour, a tablespoon of baking powder, a tablespoon of granulated sugar, and a pinch of salt.
Okay, so for your next step, you're gonna need your blender. And then when you're using your blender, you wanna whip the flaxseed in the water till it's thick and creamy for about 2 minutes. After that, you're gonna add the butter plus the milk for another minute. And you go on to the next step. All right, first, you're gonna add it. And you're gonna pour your water. Okay. Alright, so now you're gonna add your butter. Okay. And you're gonna add your milk. And you're gonna go for another minute.
In a large bowl, you're going to take your flour, your baking powder, your sugar, and your pinch of salt. Mix that together. Combine that really well. And then you're going to make a little well in the middle. And pour in your wet ingredients. And stir until that's combined. And at this point, you can add any of your other ingredients that you add, like chocolate chips, blueberries, or other ingredients. You add that in right now. And then that's it.
Alright, so for your final step is you want to put it in your waffle maker. And for me, to get the best golden brown waffles, I like to go ahead and butter my waffle iron while it's warming up. So you get the butter and all the crevices. Get it nice and buttered on both sides of the waffle iron so your top and your bottom will be the same amount. You can hear the waffle iron is getting warmed up now. That's good. Alright. So now since you got your waffle iron all warmed up and ready, this is when you put your mix in there. Spread it out even. Make sure it's all around. No opens. And you close.
Alright, and this is the finished product. You can put some, you know, sausage to the side. We got some raspberries and blackberries with 100% maple syrup. And we hope you enjoyed the video. Comment and like and also subscribe. Thank you.